This was in response to me posting our kids' response to us going no contact with my husband's parents. And it's absolutely accurate. One thing that people forget when they tell you things like, your kids are going to do the same thing to you, your kids will cut you off if you cut off your grandparents. People forget that our kids are learning how to handle situations like that based on our response. And what our kids learn from us cutting off their grandparents and from us going no contact with them after appropriately communicating that what they were doing was not okay and asking them to change, when their grandparents refused to do that, and so we ended up going no contact, what our kids learned from that is a couple of really important things. They learned, if someone is bullying me and they won't stop, I have the right to leave. And they learned that they do not have to put up, second lesson, they do not have to put up with abusive people who have been warned, have been spoken to, and refuse to stop. And those are lessons, yes, just like that can prevent all sorts of abuse. This is coming from me as a mom who experienced childhood abuse, experienced childhood sexual abuse, and did not know that I had any right to find help to escape. So yeah, it's an important lesson.